This is Minimalist Explorer EDC, and today we're doing a quick release with Paracord, and it'll wrap around the strap of your backpack. I'm tying a double knot at the end of the paracord, like so. There you go. You tie it right like that. Then you want to make a large loop. You can use anything from 8 feet to 20 feet of paracord, whatever you need to use. And you loop it this way. Then you want to take a part of the cord, wrap it around the back of the backpack strap, pull the rest of the cord through, just like that. And then you want to take that and wrap it around the cord itself that's held by my thumb. So you're going to go under that, like that. Then you're going to take that piece that you just wrapped around the cords, and you're going to wrap it again behind the strap. Just like that. Pull the rest of the cord through, and then again, take that cord, wrap it underneath, and back out. And then you're going to just keep repeating this process. Once you get to the end of the cord, then you're going to tuck it into the loop. First tie a knot, Then once you've tied a knot at the end of the paracord, slip it into that loop, the end loop. Just like that. And then hold it in place. And take the paracord at the opposite end and pull carefully. What you're trying to do is trap the end of that piece, that paracord, into the other loop to secure it. And there you go. See? Nice and neat. We're going to take that end and we can clip that with a scissor. First we'll tie a little knot to secure that end. And clip. And then you're going to take your lighter and seal that frayed end carefully. Just like that. And that's how you dress your backpack with a quick release paracord. Now to release the cord, you want to take the bottom piece, pull that out through there, and then take the top part and pull. There you go. Thanks for watching.